All right, we have finished third week of action-packed words. Let's do a recap of what we learned this week. In Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap, let's see what words we have. We learned how to say enmək, to descend, to get up. We learned how to say ödəmək, to pay, to compensate, or to settle a debt. We learned how to say to get up, to rise or to take off in terms of plane. We learned how to say dönmək, to return, to turn, or to become. We learned how to say to catch, to hold, to keep, and even to rent. Yeah, we learned how to say darıxmaq, to miss, to long for, to be bored. And we learned how to say Buraxmaq, to release, that is to publish, release a movie, to publish as well, and to let go. Now, while learning those words, we used straightforward phrases and sentences, but we also used some dative uses. Let's take a look at some of those. My wallet sighs every time it hears Ödəmək. I set 5 alarms, but Qalxmaq still refused the invitation. I didn't know I could Darıxmaq for my lunch break after just one meeting. My weekend workout, missing the elevator and practicing Enmək like it's a sport. Of course I'll Tutmaq the apartment, right after I stop crying about how much the landlord is asking for. Now, quiz time. Which word also means to rent? Feel free to drop in the comments below. And don't forget to come back tomorrow because every week, every day, we are learning new words. And once you do that, you build a consistency. And consistency is what will bring you fluency. To support your fluency journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. Feel free to check it out and download and get your journey started in there as well. The module 1 there is the foundational module, and I'm giving it away for free. Feel free to download and learn it. It's the foundations that anyone who would want learning Azerbaijani would want to have it at hand. I'm also giving away all the vocabulary words from all the modules in the app, including future modules. I have masterazerbaijani.com, a website built, and I have been posting there since November 2025 blogs on multiple topics such as tips and tricks on grammar, language, history, culture. Feel free to check it out. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for brand new word sets. Cheers.